Hey there, all you cool cats and kittens. Welcome back to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Tonight we're doing the same old thing. We're cooking steak. That's right, cooking steak and staying hydrated. But we're going to do it just a little bit different because we're not going to use, well, I'll put it to you this way. We're going to use a charcoal grill to cook it, but we're not going to use a charcoal grill to sear it. So stick around and just see what I got in store for us because it's gonna be great and it may be the biggest disaster ever. I'm not real sure, so just hang out and see what happens. All right, cool, grand. See you in a second. Alright, so steaks are ready. They are seasoned up. I'm not going to tell you what's on these or why they look a little different because I'm trying some different things out. Hopefully they work out well. Got some charcoal going in here because we are going to kind of do a reverse sear. We're going to put them in here, let them cook up a little bit, and then we're going to put them right on top of that sucker. I've got an extra grate over here. We're going to take that grate and stick it right on top of there, and then we're going to sear that sucker real good. All right, so let's do this. We're gonna take one right off of here. Just gonna take it right. See, the best way to do this is we're just gonna throw it right on there. Oh, that's what I meant to do. There we go. Now we're just gonna sear it and then we'll probably put it back on there for a minute if we have to. Check that bad boy out right there. Whew. Okay, so as you've seen, I had to add some coals in there and I put another piece of wood in there, try to bring the heat up a little bit because I burned through a lot of them coals already. It went a whole lot faster than I planned on. I actually took coals out of here and put them into that one, and now I'm going to take Kayla's steak and we're going to throw it on. Alright, well, while Kayla's steak is still cooking, it's only got about another minute left. I'm going to cut into this real quick, that way you guys can see the inside of it. And I'm going to try to do it. Nope, can't do it. I tried guys. Let's try to do it this way. Oh my gosh, so nice and tender and juicy. Ah man, see, I thought I did. I thought I got it real nice and red, but I guess I got it still a little more done than what I wanted, but that's pretty good anyway. These are ribeyes, by the way. These are just small ribeyes. They're not my favorite. I'm not a big ribeye person, but that looks pretty good. It looks pretty tasty. I'm gonna go pull Kayla's off and then we're gonna go eat these bad boys. Alright guys, that is it for me. I will see you guys next week on another NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling episode. Make sure to go follow my Instagram. It's linked down below. Make sure to follow my Facebook. It's linked down below. Bound below, whatever. I'm horrible at speaking. Anyway, hit subscribe, hit a like, leave a comment, whatever you want to do. And we'll see you guys next week on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace. Oh my God. Oh my God, was that steak phenomenal. I know I didn't tell you guys what I put on it, but that's gonna be my secret weapon right there. Whew, that was good. That was probably one of the best steaks I've ever cooked at my house, and I am not a fan of ribeyes. That was good.